What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Black Apino, the Apple Guy, and today I'm going to be showing you how to swap your device from Windows S mode to Windows Home mode. Fairly simple. You simply are going to tap on your Windows Home. You're going to simply tap on your Windows Home, and then from there you're going to tap on Settings. Now my device has already been swapped from Windows S to Windows Home, but you're going to get this screen, and then you go from there, you scroll all the way down to the bottom, and then from there you tap on About, and then as you can see mine says Windows 11 Home. You're going to scroll all the way down to where it says Product Key and Activation. You tap on that, and then from there you're going to upgrade your edition of Windows. Now I've already done it because I'm already on Windows 11 Home, but on your device it'll say Windows 11 Home S mode. So if you upgrade it, you simply just tap on that and it'll ask you two different things: change product key or upgrade your Microsoft app. You're changing the product key, you simply hit change, and then from change it brings you to either the product key, so assuming that you have a product key that you want to change it to, or you hit cancel and you go open store, and then from there it'll bring you to the Microsoft Store, and here you can simply just upgrade your current Windows. If you already have Windows 11, you want to upgrade to Windows Pro, you can do that. It is going to cost you, I believe, $100 for that. Otherwise, Home gives you everything that you would need to run it, whereas opposed to S, it does prevent you from downloading any type of third-party programs. Windows 11 Home is just typically a real, basically it's just real Windows 11 in a sense. Otherwise, that's all you have to do, and then once you select it, it automatically upgrades to Windows 11 Home, and it does it so fast, it's literally instantaneous. You simply just go back into Home, go back into Settings, and then under your system, you go all the way down to where it says About, and then from there it will tell you Windows 11 Home instead of Windows 11 Home S mode. And that's all there is to it. So if this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please think about subscribing, hitting that bell notification. That way you don't miss content when I drop it. And I want to thank you guys for watching. Enjoy your summer and have a nice day.